If now that the pop-up has arrived in your preview and there's something that you're not happy with, if there is something that you'd like to amend in that pop-up, you click onto the pop-up again so that it populates it on the right-hand side, and you'll see your Create Wizard button has become a Modify Wizard button. By clicking onto the Modify Wizard button, it's going to open up your wizard with your 12 steps already completed. You're then able to go and change whichever step it is that you're wanting to change. So we are going to first change the effective dates. Let's say we've decided that instead of to the 12th of November, we'd like to run it until the 19th of November. Let's also say instead of monthly newsletter, we want to title it monthly edition. Okay. Go back to the preview, check that we're happy with the modification we've made to the title. If you are happy and there's no further changes, you would click on Apply. And please note that you are able to change any of the steps within this wizard. If you decide you want to use a different pop-up skin, if you want to change the body of the pop-up, if you want to change the icon, all of the steps can be amended in the same way. If you click on OK, it will affect that change on the left-hand side. To preview it, you again click onto it, make sure that it's populated on the right-hand side, and click on the preview button below. Right, when it arrives now, you'll see that our title has changed. If I dismiss the pop-up, it should not launch the newsletter. It should just close the pop-up. Once you are happy with that pop-up, it's approved, you've made all the necessary changes, you're happy for it to go live. The last step in the process is to promote that pop-up to live by ticking the relevant pop-up, clicking on the Promote to Live button at the bottom of the screen. It will prompt you for a password. You type in your password, and the message says you will replace the current live data with the selected staging data. Please note that this change is immediate. Do you wish to continue? It is our intention, so we click on yes. Selected pop-ups on staging have been promoted to live. And if you have a look here, your staging tab contains the pop-up, as does your live tab. And your live users will now start downloading and displaying that pop-up. If you need any more information on the staging and live tabs or the staging and live concept within CLA, please do refer to the video entitled Staging and Live Explained. Once a pop-up has been made live, you are not able to make any changes to it that are visual. So you would not be able to modify the title, the text. It tells you that this link is disabled because the pop-up has been promoted to live. The pop-up header has been promoted to live. The pop-up body has been promoted to live, etc. The only things that you can change on a pop-up once it is live is your date and time range, as well as your targeting. So you're able to change targeting and your date and time on a pop-up that has been promoted to live. Everything else becomes disabled once you have promoted it to live. So please do make sure that you are checking and approving the pop-ups before you promote them.